Historic First San Francisco Bitcoin House, 20 mission, to auction NFT lease for 75 years. Bloomberg, Vanguard Group Incorporated. Employees who dialed right into a video named from their desks on the 40th flooring of the Shanghai World Monetary Middle final month had been anticipating a morale-boosting speech from regional head Scott Conking on how the US fund big would sort out the Chinese language market after years of preparation. As an alternative, Conking mentioned the $7 trillion cash supervisor was abandoning its push for a mutual fund license. The agency would depend on an advisory enterprise with Ant Group company to keep up the presence in China, Conking mentioned by way of video from the identical Shanghai workplace, the place he was visiting for the primary time. The 30-odd staff had been in shock. Greater than 10 employees had been let go proper after Conking completed talking, in accordance with individuals acquainted with the matter. One worker burst into tears, the individuals mentioned, asking to not be recognized as the knowledge is non-public. But behind the seemingly hasty retreat had been years of scrutiny by Vanguard's high administration on whether or not its low-cost mannequin works in China, the individuals mentioned. The conclusion, not less than for now, seems to be no, and serves as a cautionary story for different international asset managers eyeing China's $13 trillion wealth market. A consultant for Vanguard declined to remark. Whereas there had been some indicators of Vanguard's shrinking ambitions in Asia final 12 months, the agency was nonetheless anticipated to use for a fund license in China, seen as essential for development within the burgeoning wealth market. Vanguard, like different international gamers, was given the inexperienced gentle-to-use final April, eradicating the necessity for a neighborhood accomplice. For some former Vanguard executives, the sky was as soon as the restrict for China. Former Asia head Charles Lin noticed potential to extend property to about $5 trillion given the tempo of wealth accumulation on this planet's second biggest economic system. We're on this for 100 years, not 5 years, Jim Norris, then head of Vanguard's worldwide enterprise, mentioned in a May 2018 interview. And we really feel very assured that over time we'll be capable to get to that scale to generate profits. The passion for China started to wane underneath Tim Buckley, who took over as Chief Government Officer in 2018, in accordance with the individuals. Below Buckley's route, the brand new finance chief began quarterly revenue value determinations of every enterprise line and area, marking a pronounced shift from his predecessor Invoice McNabb. Regardless of the large potential in China, Vanguard didn't apply for a fund license instantly. The corporate raised extra eyebrows in August when it introduced plans to shut operations in Hong Kong and Tokyo, affecting 70 jobs. On the time, Vanguard mentioned that present business dynamics don't help its low-cost mannequin, whereas citing the appreciable alternative in China. The U.S. agency pulled again additional in October by returning about $21 billion in managed property to authorities purchasers in China. It additionally misplaced a mandate to run $590 million in Taiwan as a consequence of weak efficiency. Value concerns even as China's economic system started to tug out of the pandemic final 12 months, Vanguard's issues about prices, distribution, staffing and laws had been mounting, the individuals mentioned. The job provide was rescinded a few months earlier than Conking's announcement, they mentioned. Laws had been additionally a problem. Whereas China has opened the door for international licenses, it's tightened necessities, notably for international gamers. The regulator requested Constancy Investments and Neuberger Berman in November to pledge liquidity help for the licenses they had been looking for. That raised issues about further capital prices for Vanguard, the individuals mentioned. 12 months after the opening, solely BlackRock Incorporated has obtained a fund license. In accordance with a November report by China Worldwide Capital Corporation, foreign-controlled or wholly owned asset managers could seize as a lot as 15% of the market from native rivals over the following decade. But they should overcome obstacles together with an absence of distribution channels, together with the Chinese language corporation's first-mover benefits, the report discovered. Break-even foreign asset managers want not less than 50 billion yuan, $7.7 billion in property to show a revenue, SIC analysts led by Yao Ziyu estimated. Vanguard would wish extra, given its rock-bottom charges which have pushed its development in North America. Nonetheless, Lens Crew estimated its wholly owned mutual fund enterprise might attain 100 billion yuan in property inside 5 to 7 years, enabling it to interrupt even the individuals mentioned. The state of affairs assumed the agency would promote lively and passive funds, bolstered by the three-way partnership with Jack Ma and Arrange in 2019. Vanguard could have realized that it gained its assist a lot even when it launched its personal funds in China given the prices and its lack of aggressive benefit, mentioned Bloomberg intelligence analyst Francis Chan. Many years since Wall Road Corporations first entered the China market, they continue to be dwarfed within the asset administration area by home banks and brokerages. Funds backed by worldwide corporations raise lower than half the $967 billion haul of their 100-plus Chinese-language rivals within the first 8 months of 2020, in accordance with information compiled by Morningstar Incorporated and Bloomberg.ZBin Advisors Limited, a Shanghai-based consultancy. Final 12 months lowered its forecast for international corporations' market share in China's mutual fund business by 10 share factors to simply 15% by 2030. Without a license in China, Vanguard will depend on its three-way partnership with Ant, which has doubled its consumer base in simply 2 months. Belongings underneath administration jumped 60% from the tip of final 12 months to 6.9 billion yuan as of February 28, an individual acquainted has mentioned. That places the enterprise on observe to succeed in an estimated 10 billion yuan break-even level nicely forward of its 5-year goal, the individuals mentioned. Whereas Ant's 1 billion Alipay customers maintain large potential, its latest launch of an open advisory platform to different fund managers could dilute sources for the Vanguard enterprise, Bais Chan mentioned. It's simple to make an utility, however committing all of the sources to make issues work is way more tough, he mentioned. Having an exquisite plan is one factor. Execution is one other.